Hi, I'm Dr. Karagada Sandeep. I'm a practicing homeopath at Center of Homeopathy, Bangalore. Fibroids are growth in the uterus. These are mostly non-cancerous. Fibroids are a very common complaint in women, and till the age of 40, around 20 to 25% of women do experience it. Fibroids can be asymptomatic, or they can have symptoms which can be very intense. The treatment protocol really depends upon the size of the fibroid and the symptoms that is caused by it. The homeopathic treatment of fibroids is done by restoring the hormonal balance in the body, by making sure the reproductive organs, the thyroid and the other endocrinal organs are all in harmony. All homeopathic treatment is holistic treatment. So when we are treating you homeopathically, we are not just treating your symptom here, which is the fibroid, but making sure that everything in your body, all the organ systems in your body are working in harmony with each other, which is very important when we are treating an endocrinal disorder. And by this harmonious function is how we achieve health.